Hello, 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 good evening. I hope you're well. Here we go again. Our next live in the Vibrant Midlife Hub. I thought I'd bring some vibe this evening. Let's see, and yeah, just wait and see if anyone's going to join me. I hope you've had a wonderful weekend and had a good Sunday. Hi Milika, how are you doing? I hope you're liking my vibe. How are you? Okay, let's get started on tonight's live. Hello, hello, hello. Hi Milika, thanks for joining. And yeah, so this evening, as I advertised earlier, I thought, okay, take a little bit of a break about, talking menopause, and just come through and share with us a bit of the background and our Vibrant Midlife story. How we came about this name, and yeah, just what is our vibe in the Vibrant Midlife Hub. So why Vibrant Midlife? Vibrant Midlife came about, so I think it was back end of 2019, not back end, around September 2019 was when I started to get a bit of an agitation around what I wanted to do going forwards. I was contracting, it was fine, but I just felt that there was more that I needed to be doing, more of the work that aligned with what was on my heart. So I took some time out and figured out what it is I wanted to do. So I knew straight away at that point that I wanted to work with midlife women, so women at my phase of life. And it will still be in the area of health and well-being. And so that became clear soon after I decided to stop working in pharma. So then fast forward about, it was about 6 months or thereabouts. I came to a point where I wasn't contracting anymore, and so I then decided, okay, pick up your plan to work with midlife women. But then it needed, that's just how I do stuff. I don't just start running. I want to, lay it down. I want to, have a proper think through. So I was working with a branding consultant. And yeah, we started doing this work, and she asked me, okay, so what's on your heart? So I started to share with her all of that stuff. So I knew that because I wanted to work with midlife women, I knew midlife would appear in the name somehow. And then she started asking all these questions, as branding people do. So Ursula was my branding consultant. If I can, I'll tag her. I'm not sure if she's in the group, but I'll tag her. And we did that brilliant work together at that point. This was about March, April 2020 now. This was at the height of the pandemic, actually. And so why Vibrant Midlife? So yes, I wanted to work with midlife women. And then what I wanted to do also was not perpetuate the narrative around midlife. Because if you Google midlife, the first thing that comes up is midlife crisis. And I just wanted to counter that narrative, because I honestly, not back then and even now, I honestly believe that midlife is not necessarily just a point of crisis. It can be a point of, new beginnings, a point of renewal, a point of realignment, a point of rediscovering self. So all of that brilliance and that positivity is what I wanted to bring to the organization that I wanted to start. So as we played around with words, we played around with different words. I wanted to bring that energy. I wanted to bring that positivity. We came up with vibrance. And so vibrance is a word that, I mean, when you go into the dictionary, it's described as an adjective that says you're full of energy. And the synonyms are you're spirited, you're lively, you're energetic. And I just thought, I said to her then, I said, yeah, let's go with Vibrant Midlife. And that was how we came about our name. So Vibrant Midlife obviously is the central, it's described as the central period of a person's life between around the ages of 45 and 60, but I've just nudged it down to 40, to be honest. And then I know that some women, that they don't like the term midlife because they say, oh, it makes them feel old. I don't have a problem with my age or where I'm at. And so that's a bit of background. It tells us how Vibrant Midlife, the name came about. And basically, I thought I'd share that bit of background with us. And it is my prayer that all of the women in our hub, their midlife will be full of energy, it will be full of life, it will be high-spirited, it will be lively, it will be energetic. Because as I say all the time, we have a lot of work to do. We have to put ourselves in that position where we've got lots of energy to do the work that we're called to do, because I know that the women in our hub are, you're powerful women, loaded, and you've got a lot of purpose, a lot of mission that you want to fulfill. So my prayer is that your lives will be vibrant, your midlife will be full of energy, you will be high-spirited, you'll be lively, you'll be energetic. And as we say always, we say that in our meetings, I am vibrant, I am well, I am healthy, I am whole. Declare that over yourself this week and beyond. Take care and catch you next week. Next week, we have a guest. So in August, we have 2 guests coming to share their expertise with us in the hub. So I'd encourage you to come through. Also invite other women, please. We're trying to grow this community, and I can't do this myself. You are my family, so I'm appealing to you to bring other women through. So our first guest is coming to speak to us about hair care, because one of the things that we experience in midlife is issues with our hair loss as a result of a loss of hormones. So we have a hair specialist coming to talk to us about hair care, hair loss, and what we need to be mindful of. And then we have somebody else coming to speak to us about supplements and what we should have in our cupboards. All right, have a lovely week ahead, and you'll see me more in the hub during the week. Take care, God bless, and love you loads. Bye.